Hello guys, welcome to another episode of the night game. We're gonna play 7 days. You can tell by its themes. It's a horror games, of course. We can't just continue. I don't know. But I never played these games, of course. 7 days. We're gonna make it, brothers. Let's go. Okay. It's pixelated. It's pixelated horror games like Minecraft. Awesome. Okay. What's this? Can we do something here? Or E is inventory. Let's open door. Alright. 100% Minecraft. Awesome. Oh my god. I think this game is racist. It's white and black and brown. Whoa. I hate this kind of game. I mean, there are like dark themes on it, which just make it really creepy. Just don't like it. There are many ancient books. Okay. Whoa, a blood. There are many ancient books. Okay. What about this one? It's locked. Locked, it said. The door is stuck. Stuck, it said. Alright, can we watch TV? Oh, we can. Best show ever. Wait, I can't turn it off. Oh damn. Oh damn, my god. My god. Oh look, the painting is becoming red. Oh, it's creepy. Whew. Nope. Nope. What's this? Can we open? Yes, we can. End. End. So you say the world is end. Oh. We can do that. Awesome. Best game. Okay, let's open up. The door is stuck. Okay, let's open it. More blood. Make it creepy. What is this? Sam? Sam? I think it gives me some clue. Let's try that on what we found before. Could it be Sam writing? I think so. Wait. Sam. Oh wait, I missed A before. RSTUVWXYZA. Let's try Sam. It can. Library key. We got the library key. Awesome. Oh god, I don't like this. It's really creepy. Let's try this door. Nope. 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 Or maybe we should. Okay. Let's go. The door closed. Okay. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. What? What in the world is that? God damn it. Whoa. Whoa. What? So that's a way out. I hate this game. There are many ancient books. Okay, we heard you the time. Let's see. Let's see if we can go there. The many ancient books. Many ancient books. It's like, what in the world just happened? Okay, I'm out from here. I'm not doing YouTube for this. No, I'm not. I'm not doing YouTube for this. Hello? Is there anybody here? Just to let you know that I don't like jump scared. Okay. I found a black key in the shelf of this bookcase. That's racist. So racist. Yeah, I think it's the black door. I think we should get here. Slenderman? White key. Slenderman. Oh, yes, blood. Oh god. That was the worst jump scare ever. God damn it. I have white key here. I think marvelous. Everything is locked. Just great. Feels so great. Just feel really awesome. What is that? What is this thing doing there? Should we do something? Oh, there's no. Let's read. It's not time yet. Wait, do I restart? Or okay. 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 This door's stuck. Great. Work as a plan. The door is stuck. And how in the world so can I get out from here? Well, I got a jump scare from the guy before, but I don't want to know why is that. All I want to go is just get out from here. Awesome, right? I almost fell from my chair though before. No, I swear, I'm not lying right now. Now what we should do? What we're supposed to do? I'll check it out. Sam is spelled out on this page when B is trying to tell me something. Little key. For what? The greatest illusion is the extent of a unique truth. Nope. This can be open. Different corridor. Uh-oh. Another key. You want to look back? Oh, god damn it. Rinky. Can I open the door? Okay. I did not sign up for this. Okay, I'm out. I'm not doing this anymore. I'm done. This game is creepy. Don't mind about that. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. It's changed, I think. I think so. Ugh. You know what, bros? I mean, guys, I cannot do it anymore. I'm done. Hello? Oh, no. Come, okay. Following the blood. Oh. Okay, I seen it enough. I seen enough. Hello. This? Nope. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like my videos, and I see you guys in the next episodes. Click a like if you want part 2 of this video games. I promise I'll do this game for part 2 if you want me to do it. And please subscribe to my channel. If you want me if you want to help my channel, please subscribe. Okay. And this has always been my dream to have YouTube channels, and you guys are the big part of it. And yeah, I see you guys next time, and stay awesome, guys. Bye bye.